Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of House of Bugz. We've finally decided on a name. If you're new here, House of Bugz is basically where I transform myself into my favorite Tim Burton characters throughout the month of October, and today I'm doing Violet Beauregarde from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So if you want to see me spookify into Violet turning violet, then keep on watching. This wig gave me so much trouble. I tried dyeing it violet about 4 separate times, and the colors just would not stick. So all I got was this lavender, but it's still really pretty. I love the wig itself. I was not expecting to love this short bob bang kind of look, but I'm obsessed. The wig is from Annabelle's Wigs, and I will link it in the description down below, along with everything else that I used today. First up, I'll be taking my Ben Nye Magicake Aqua paints in the shade Lavender. You know I love these paints so much. They're basically all I've been using for spooky season. I'm just gonna wet it a little and then take this super thin lip brush from the Frivolous Cosmetics and It's Likely Makeup Brush collab set. I already have makeup on when I started this look, so I'm going to wipe off my eyebrow. Obviously, you'll want to start off with foundation for this look and then draw the drips over top of your base. My camera died, unfortunately, in the middle of me drawing these drops, but I just freehanded them. I wanted it to look like she was sliming into Violet versus the original movie where she turns Violet from her nose around. So basically, I'm going to take this little concealer brush and then further fill in the drips with the aqua paint. I did all of this freehand, so you literally can do no wrong. After I'm done filling out the drip portion of my face, I'm going to take this Always On liquid lipstick from Smashbox in the shade Purple Taffy. It's this super gorgeous violet color, and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with that. Then I'll be taking my Creepy Cute palette from Strobe Cosmetics. This is such a staple palette for me. I love it so much. I'll be taking the shade Plonquette. I don't know how to say that. Who am I fooling? Anyway, I'll be taking the Lavender shade and I'll be using it as a transition in my crease. Then I'll be dipping into my Sugarpill Pro palette and I'll be taking the shade Poison Plum and I'll be dipping that lower into my crease. So I definitely want a more violet look, obviously, so I'm going to go in with Sugarpill's Velocity eyeshadow and go over top of the Poison Plum shade. It created the most perfect violet shade. I loved it. Next, I'll be taking this violet eyeshadow shade. It's from Buxom Cosmetics and it's called Posh Purple. And I'm just going to be applying that to my lid. I didn't wet it or anything. If you want more of a shimmer, you totally could. I wasn't too concerned with a shimmer, so I just added it straight to my lids. And then I'm just gonna go back in with Velocity, that blue shade, and deepen up the color a little bit more. This is an oldie but a goodie. I'm going to be taking my Sleek Makeup Summer Solstice highlighting palette and I'm going to take that lavender shade and use it for my highlight on my inner corner, my brow bone, and my cheek. Now I'm just going to pop on a pair of iconic lashes from House of Lashes. And just for an extra pop of violet, I'm going to be taking Buxom Cosmetics eyeliner in Doors Unlocked for my waterline. I wanted this entire half of my face to be purple, so next up I'll be using the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara in purple for my lower lashes. Now we're going back to the drip and I'm going to be adding some details with just a white eyeliner. I believe this one is from NYX. I want the drips to look cartoony but very detailed at the same time, so I'm going to go in at the bottom of the drips and add this little white highlight to the ends, and then I'm going to shade around the drips with Poison Plum, and then later I'm going to go over it again with Velocity to create that violet shade. After I'm done shading the area, I'm going to go back in with that NYX white liner and further detail and highlight the drips. I honestly don't know what I'm doing with shading and highlighting. I'm just kind of going with what I feel looks best. So honestly, just do the same. It'll turn out fine. And finally for lips, I'll be using Too Faced Peach Kiss lipstick in the shade Make Up Me Happy. It is the most perfect bubblegum pink shade, and obviously I wanted her lips to be bubblegum pink because, hello, she is the world-class gum chewer. Alright, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. If you want to try out this look, don't forget to hashtag House of Bugz and tag me on Instagram and Twitter. I will leave all my socials in the description down below. While you're down there, don't forget to hit this video with a like if you enjoyed and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more spookifies this October. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying this series and I hope I will see you soon for more spookifies.